I wanted to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude to all of you for coming and supporting our showcase. Your presence truly means a lot to us. I'm also deeply thankful to Semper East High School for generously allowing us to use the auditorium for this event. And I'd also like to extend a special thank you to Hmong Family Society and United Asian Club for this incredible collaboration and support in bringing this event to life. Now, let's welcome our incredible United Asian Club members to the stage.
Hi, my name is Lena Gu and I'm a senior. I'm the vice president.
Hi, my name is Cynthia. I'm a senior and my role is secretary.
My name is Eli. I am the event coordinator here, and I'm a sophomore.
Hi, my name is John Vang. I'm a senior here, and I'm a USC member.
And as you guys know, I'm Alexis, a senior and president of the United Asian Club. Again, thank you guys for coming and please enjoy the show.
Thank you for being here to honor our roots, uplift our culture, and celebrate our new generation of Hmong leaders.